Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Balikpapan University. In this occasion, I have three guests from Sarawak University, and we plan to make like pemberdayaan masyarakat ya. We will conduct something to the society of the individual. And here I'm with Mrs. Mary, and then from officer from National Nusantara Authority, and then we are happy today because we can discuss together before we start in the conference hall. But first, I invite you to introduce yourself and your friend, and then your program, and of course after that, our friend from National Nusantara Authority will introduce themselves. Please.
Ya, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man walah. Thank you very much for the call. This is my first visit to Balikpapan, and I have to admit I'm very impressed, especially when I arrived at the airport just now. We are here actually to come and do some kind of recce, just to see the right place for us to organize this activity. We have been doing this in Malaysia for the past few years, but this time we feel that it's important for us to partner with our friends from Kalimantan and to foster good relationship with the university. And so happened that I met Bapak Rector when he went to Malaysia recently, when we had a discussion. I have to admit that I walked the talk.
Yeah.
I said I'll come in June, I make a point I'll come in June. And in July, inshallah, God willing, we're going to have a program with the community. The idea of this program is to nurture the activity with the community here. We've been doing this in Malaysia, but now I think we're going to have it with Indonesia, our partner in Indonesia. And let me just introduce quickly my colleague. Professor Dr. Eva is the head of director of teaching hospital. If you have any problem with your face whatsoever, she's a plastic surgeon. Yeah, see everybody when I introduce her, I say plastic surgeon, especially the ladies. Quickly, lepas itu terus bayangkan mata jadi besar, mancung. She's a plastic surgeon. Dr. Desmond is our medical officer. Dalam bidang perubatan dua-duanya kecuali saya bukan orang perubatan. Tapi social work. Tapi the idea is for us to have some kind of medical health training with the community and whatnot. I think you have been doing this in Indonesia. It's only good for us to work together to internationalize ourselves between the two universities. And we really hope that we can foster this relationship and we can work closely together in the future. And of course, with a representative from ICAN, we hope that in the future we are able to work closely with Nusantara. It's very important, and I personally feel that with Nusantara in Kalimantan, we can actually further enhance a good relationship between us. And what is most important is to see whatever opportunities that we can work closely together, because in today's world it's very important. For us to work together rather than to work in silo, because the world is borderless now. So we should not work in silo. We should work closely with each other. So thank you very much once again. I'm very happy to be here in Balikpapan, and I'm very sure that I'll be here again. I will like you for the mission. Thank you very much, Pak Rector, and representatives from Indonesia. Thank you very much for receiving us today. Thank you.
And then Ms. Mary, she will organize our program tomorrow and next month. This to Mary?
Yeah, maybe we can continue to the meeting.
Maybe our friend will introduce themselves, please.
Terima kasih Pak Rektor. Kami dari Direktorat Pelayanan Dasar Kedeputian Sosial Budaya dan Pemberdayaan Masyarakat. Sebelumnya saya lupa mengucapkan salam Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami sangat senang sekali bisa hadir bersama orang-orang penting, orang-orang hebat di sini. Sebelumnya permohonan maaf dari Pak Deputi dan Pak Direktur kami Pak Rito tidak bisa hadir karena bersamaan hari ini sedang mengikuti seminar nasional di Jakarta, di Semarang karena bertepatan dengan Hari Keluarga. Dan beberapa waktu yang lalu juga bersama Pak Rektor menyusun bersama Pak ya Grand Desain Kependudukan di IKN, di mana Grand Desain Kependudukan di IKN ini salah satunya adalah bahwa penduduk kita nanti di IKN ini tidak lebih dari 2 juta harapannya dalam pendudukan. Kemudian juga ada target kita di IKN untuk Grand Desain ini punya penghasilan tinggi di 2045, kemudian di 2035 itu zero kemiskinan, kemudian juga zero stunting. Jadi banyak PR seperti kata Pak Rektor tadi, harus lebih banyak makan. Supaya banyak energi untuk berpikir Pak Rektor ya. Dan itu memang benar. Dan kami juga sangat terbantu sekali dari segi dari bidang akademisi, salah satunya Universitas Balikpapan juga sangat banyak membantu kami dalam proses berpikir tadi. Kemudian juga kerjasama kita ke depan juga pasti akan butuh banyak support dari akademisi kita. Mungkin itu saja. Kami dari tim Direktorat Pelayanan Dasar, kami di Direktorat Pelayanan Dasar ini sebenarnya banyak tugas. Salah satunya kesehatan, pendidikan, kemudian sosial, keagamaan, kependudukan, kemudian juga ngurus pasar juga Pak kami. Kemudian kemarin juga ada terkait dengan masyarakat di wilayah DKM semua ke kita. Di kedeputian kami Pak ada 3 direktorat pemberdayaan masyarakat, kemudian juga ada ekonomi kreatif dan pariwisata. Jadi nanti juga mungkin salah satunya dari pelayanan dasar seperti yang kami sebutkan tadi. Mungkin itu saja dari kami. Tambahan dari Bu Dr. Diana. Beliau adalah beliau direktur rumah sakit di Panglima Sebaya Tanah Grogot. Kemudian Pak Sumartin ini nutritionist ya, ahli gizi. Kalau Pak Hari ini basicnya sarjana teknik, tapi saat ini bergabung di tim kesehatan. Kalau saya sendiri basicnya midwife. Nah, kemudian melanjutkan ke manajemen. Mungkin itu Pak perkenalan dari kami.
Pak, kalau saya tahu nutritionist tadi enggak saya makan. Kalau pagi saya makan.
Podcastnya udah selesai. Saya kasih kesempatan bicara, saya makan. Oke, thank you. Jelas.
Sekian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ini awal yang bagus.